Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz full-size Sprinter Cargo van. This cargo van has only had one previous owner and is powered by a turbo diesel 2.1 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the back of the vehicle, you have a step-up bar that goes into your hitch. You also have these wide opening doors which reveal your cargo area, which is ready for lots of luggage, including built-in wooden shelves and a toolbox. Another way to access the cargo area is through the passenger side sliding rear door. You can then enter here, or you can carry an extra 3 passengers. Moving to the interior, you have power windows and mirrors, your headlights on the dash, premium cloth seats with flip-down armrests. The steering wheel has your dash controls, hands-free audio, as well as your cruise control in behind. This van is currently at 74,030 kilometers. You have a Bluetooth-ready infotainment unit, your climate controls, and your door locks on the dash. Your gear select and cup holder, which flips out, as well as a storage compartment. You have more storage behind the steering wheel, on the passenger side on the dash, as well as along the roof. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2016 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter full-size cargo van. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.